Hello Stampers and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Welcome back to my channel for another one of my designer series paper reveals. This is one of the designer series paper that is in the Stampin' Up! Celebration that runs August and September. This is a wall supplies last item, so definitely get it before it is gone if you are loving this paper as much as me. Black and white is just absolutely fabulous. It's so classic as is, but then you can also color it, add just a solid color with stamping blends or sponge daubers or anything like that, even markers. And it's so much fun and so versatile to use for many different occasions. This paper is actually called the Beautifully Penned 12 by 12 Designer Series paper. And this pack is actually 4 sheets each of the double-sided paper. So there's actually fewer prints in this one, and you get 4 sheets rather than typically 2 sheets, but it's still 12 total sheets in the paper pack. I'm gonna go through each of these sheets to show you what the full 12 by 12 sheet looks like so that you can understand what the full pattern is rather than just a little swatch in the catalog. Pick out your favorite one and let me know what it is in the comments below, and I'll let you know what mine is at the end. Okay, so I have to go classic polka dot because I just love polka dots so much. So that is my favorite one, but then I'm also super loving these flowers. Coloring each one individually would probably give me heart palpitations because I'm not really one to do a lot of coloring, but maybe even highlighting just a few flowers would look so super fabulous. But I'll be honest, I'll probably use most of it just as the black and white unless I get a wild hair in me or something like that, or see a project that I just absolutely love and have to recreate. So I hope you guys loved this beautifully penned 12 by 12 designer series paper. Don't forget that it is a celebration item that you can earn with a $50 order. And that it is wall supplies last in August and September. So get it before it's gone. I'll leave a link down below so that you can order it. Don't forget to check out my blog, laurastamppad.com, for lots of great inspiration and techniques for paper crafting and card making. And I'll see you guys all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.